in it, y'all. Out here in the rain.
Rev it.
That's the Supra. Look like everybody leaving, man. Raining, man. Woo! Shit. We're at this place right here. Texas Auto Trim, guys. They do wraps, interior work. Let's show you guys the interior they got up here. So they got all kind of stuff, man. Diamond stitch. They got some more diamond stitch here. So they do it all here, man. Damn, they got the whole car apart here. That's crazy, bro. Y'all see they doing the door jams and everything right here. That's gonna look dope when it's done, man. They do everything right, man. That looks nice right there. I like that. I like that, man. Got the blue wrap, man. Blue chrome wrap. That's sick too, guys. I love that, man. Y'all think I should do something like that to the Crossfire or what? That'll make it pop. Yes, sir. That'll make it pop. So they got the colors on this side. All the colors right there that you can choose from. They got gold, all kind of stuff, man. This is pretty dope too. This color here. That's pretty dope. Yeah, man. Got all the colors. They got wheels too. Oh, they're going crazy out there, man. So that is the wrap for the video, man. I hope y'all enjoyed this video. And man, learn something from it, man, because there's a lot of opportunities out here, a lot of potential out here, man. And guys, when I seen those cars out there, man, it brings me up, man. And there is no limit, man. You can do whatever you want to do in life, man. Just don't wait, don't stop. Whatever you're doing, just keep on going, and eventually you will get there, man. And I know I will get there too, because I ain't gonna stop. You know, I'm gonna keep pushing out these videos for y'all, man, and showing y'all that y'all can be anything, do anything, and achieve your goals, man. So with that being said, I appreciate y'all for watching my videos. Appreciate y'all for tuning in. Make sure y'all give me a thumbs up on this video, man. And yeah, just like that, man. Make sure you subscribe too as well. And yeah, that's it, man. Y'all stay safe out there, and I'll see y'all in the next one. Peace.